Hey there, Power BI enthusiast. Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to elevate your data visualization game, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into one of the most versatile and visually impactful charts in Power BI, the stacked bar chart. Stacked bar charts are an incredible way to compare parts of a whole across categories. Whether you are analyzing sales by region, expenses by department, or any multidimensional data, this chart helps you to tell the story behind your numbers clearly and effectively. Let me show you how to create a stunning stacked bar chart in Power BI that transforms your raw data into actionable insights. Before we jump into Power BI, let's take a quick look at our dataset. Here we have sales data by region and product category. Each row represents the sales figure for a specific category in a region. As you can see, we have columns for region, category, and sales amount. Simple, right? Now let's import this into Power BI. Click on Get Data, select Excel, and load your dataset. And just like that, we are ready to visualize. Once your data is loaded, head over to the visualization pane and select the stacked bar chart icon. Drag the region field to the axis, the category field to the legend, and the sales amount field to the values. Notice how Power BI automatically creates a visually stunning chart, stacking the sales amounts by category for each region. This makes it easier to compare totals and identify trends at a glance. But wait, let's make this chart pop. Customization is key to creating impactful visuals. Customization not only makes your chart look better but also helps your viewers understand it faster. First, head over to the Format pane, change the colors of the bars to match your company, branding, or make it visually appealing. Next, add data to display exact values directly on the bars. Finally, give your chart a meaningful title like Regional Sales Breakdown to provide context to your audience. And there you have it, a powerful interactive stacked bar chart in Power BI, ready to wow your audience and deliver insights at a glance. Try it for yourself and let me know how it transforms your data storytelling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share your favorite Power BI tips in the comments below. Together, let's make data awesome. Stay tuned for more Power BI tutorials. See you next time.